Your car's exhaust system does more than just reduce noise. It keeps harmful fumes out and performance in check. When a leak develops, it can cause noise, poor mileage, and even dangerous cabin fumes. Here are some symptoms of an exhaust leak and how to fix them. A loud engine noise is one of the most common signs of an exhaust leak. You might hear a ticking, hissing, or rumbling sound that becomes louder when you accelerate, caused by exhaust gases escaping through a crack, hole, or faulty gasket instead of flowing smoothly through the system. To fix it, spray soapy water on the exhaust pipes. While they are cold, bubbles will form at the leak points. Be sure to inspect the exhaust manifold, gaskets, flex pipes, mufflers, and joints, as these are the most common areas where leaks occur. A strong smell of exhaust fumes inside or around your car is a serious warning sign of a leak. To fix it, inspect the exhaust system for cracks. Small leaks can sometimes be sealed with exhaust wrap. It hardens with heat to create a strong seal that cuts noise, blocks fumes, and keeps exhaust flowing properly. Decreased fuel efficiency is another common symptom of an exhaust leak. When exhaust gases escape before reaching the oxygen sensors, the sensors may give inaccurate readings to the engine's computer. This causes the engine to burn more fuel than necessary, making it work harder, while reducing mileage. To fix this problem, inspect the exhaust system for leaks near the manifold, or pipes close to the sensors. Then seal the small holes with exhaust system sealant, as it is a quick and reliable solution for repairing small cracks, holes, or leaks in your exhaust system. It's heat-resistant, durable, and helps reduce noise, block fumes, and improve efficiency. Easy to apply, it's a convenient DIY solution for mufflers, pipes, and joints. A vibration or ticking under the hood often points to an exhaust leak, especially near the manifold or gaskets. You may feel it through the steering wheel or pedals as escaping gases cause unusual movement and noise. To fix it, inspect the manifold bolts and nearby pipes for cracks or looseness. Tighten any loose bolts or patch small cracks with a repair kit. Repair bandage is a quick and effective solution for fixing small holes and splits in the exhaust system. It is heat-resistant and designed to withstand the high temperatures of exhaust gases, creating a strong and durable seal once applied. Using it helps reduce noise, prevent harmful fumes from escaping, and restore proper exhaust flow without the need for expensive replacements. Easy to use, it provides a reliable DIY option for repairing mufflers, pipes, and joints directly on the car. With the right attention and quick repairs, you can stop exhaust leaks before they turn into costly damage and keep your car running safely.